Hello, you're welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I believe we're all fine and we're perfect. In this video, I made BBQ buffalo wings. This is one recipe I can assure you, if you follow my process step by step, you will become a pro when it comes to BBQ. I will be listing steps, do's and don'ts in these videos to help you achieve the perfect BBQ sauce wings any day, anytime. Kindly sit back and enjoy the video. For this recipe, I used hard chicken wings. I couldn't get soft chicken wings at the supermarket. I would have preferred soft chicken because the bones falls apart easily and cooks faster. I divide the wings into 3 portions. This other part of the wings, I take them out and I store them for my next dish, probably when I want to make chicken broth, chicken stock. Lemon helps to add flavors and also tenderizes the chicken. If you watched my previous video where I spoke about the benefits of washing fish with lemon, do not leave the juice on the chicken for a long time because it will actually start breaking down the proteins way too much, resulting in tough, rubbery or even mushy chicken wings. After cleaning the chicken wings, I added salt and white vinegar to a bowl of water. Then I toss in my raw chicken wings in it, washing it carefully with my lime juice. I would also want to note at this time that washing your chicken wings or your proteins with salt doesn't validate the cleaning process. It doesn't mean your proteins are clean and free from pathogens. So I would advise whenever you want to wash your proteins, use white vinegar plus the combination of lemon juice. This helps to reduce the pathogens present in the protein. It doesn't eliminate everything, but it helps reduce it. Then the quantity left can be killed during the cooking process. All the ingredients used for this dry rub will be written in the description box. Kindly check the description box for a detailed explanation on them. And also note that if you're salting your meat separately from the rub, you can apply the dry rub just before it goes on the grill. But if you're using the 50-50 method and putting the salt in your rub, you should apply the rub the night before or at least a couple of hours before cooking. This is a method to ensure that you have tasty wings, not just tasty outside and raw inside, but a general taste. So meaning you have a tasty inside and also a tasty outside. I would also advise you watch my grilled mackerel video. That video did very well, and I also explained in details the benefits of marinating your proteins properly before grilling. I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description box. Kindly check out that video after watching this. Let's make the BBQ buffalo wing sauce. This sauce is very crucial because this is what defines the wings. The end result should be glassy, spicy yet sweet, and very, very shiny. It needs to have this shiny, glassy, beautiful consistency. And for this sauce, I use BBQ hot sauce, hot chili sauce, honey, and soy sauce. A combination of this combo, oh my god, you just have to try this recipe. You just have to try it so you can come back to this comment section and tell me, yes, that's your buffalo BBQ wing sauce combination was mad. This combination is mad. Yes guys, it works all the time. Do not forget to toss your wings to the other side so the other side can cook properly. Generously coat your grilled wings in the sauce. You can see that crusty texture I spoke about earlier. That's the difference between the dry rub and the marinade. I use the dry rub method in this video while I use the marinade in my fish video. Go watch that fish video and then you can see the difference. So tomorrow when someone asks you what's the difference between dry rub and marinade, you give them a very good answer. I know you've learned something today. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment what you have learned today in this video. Kindly note that after marinating these wings in this sauce, you don't want to overcook them or overgrill them in the oven. That's because sugar gets burnt easily when exposed to direct heat or flame. Except you want burnt looking wings, but maximum time these wings should grill in the oven should be 5 minutes. So the wings can still retain their glossy, beautiful, shiny look. Guys, these wings were delicious. Oh my god, so delicious. The inner layer was so tasty, so tasty. I could get different flavors of sweetness, spiciness, hotness, and BBQ sauce. Guys, it works wonders. I would recommend you use that sauce or use a better alternative. That BBQ sauce really changed the whole game. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always loving my content. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in my other video. I love you all with the love of Christ. Till I come your way again, stay blessed and do good. Thank you.